Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. And have you come across a case scenario wherein your iPhone's battery drops drastically from 80% maybe to 40% after watching a couple of videos on YouTube? If yes, then this particular video is for you. Please watch this particular video till the end, because in this particular video we are going to discuss about how to stop your iPhone's battery from dropping drastically. So let's get started. So the number one reason why this particular issue is coming for your iPhones is because your battery is not calibrated completely. If you are using something like iPhone 11 series, like the iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max or iPhone 11, it is likely that your battery is not calibrated, and updating to the latest iOS 14.5.1 will help to resolve this particular issue. Also guys, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also press the little bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever we upload another video. Second way to solve this particular issue is charging your phone up to 100% and then decreasing it to 0% after usage. And guys, after it completely kills off this particular phone, try restarting the phone. If your phone restarts, that means there is definitely an issue with the battery calibration. You just need to repeat this, like charging all the way to 100 and then decreasing to 0% for a couple of times, maybe 2 or 3 times. But please note, this can also have a harmful effect on your battery. So after doing it, you can definitely, the battery will able to auto calibrate itself from, maybe after charging to from 100 to 0. So this also can be done to stop the battery dropping issues. The third reason is, guys, you must have updated your operating system or any other particular software which is causing the battery drain issue. Also, what you need to do is go in the battery setting and check out which particular application is using the battery the most, and try to maybe reinstall it, and that would actually solve the issue related with that particular application. Let me just go to the battery settings and show you the battery health of mine, and it is almost 100% on my iPhone 12 mini. And as you can see, these are the apps which are going to use the percentage of battery. It is just showing in percentage. So the Safari is using the maximum amount of battery. You can just restart your phone. Fourth reason, guys, why this particular issue is happening is because your battery is physically damaged. Maybe you must be using it for a very long time and there are too many cycles which are happening. This is typically there with the older phones, like if you have been using an iPhone for maybe a couple of years, maybe like 2 or 3 years, so definitely the battery may be lost its permanent capacity of recharging. So in that particular case, you just need to go to the service center and get a new battery. I hope you enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, because there is always something new to learn on Creative Soft. Also do check out these cool videos which we have. Let us know in the comments below what you think, what are your opinions about this particular topic. And again, thanks a lot guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.